Should I get it?
Hi, y'all. It's me, Jello Shop Barbie from Goodwill, Tennessee. Well, let me tell y'all something. I'm up here right now, up in that Leanne Womack's dressing room. Got my secret interview getting ready to go down right now. It's her Amanda. She's the stylist, and she been telling me some secrets about that Leanne Womack. She gonna fill us all in. Let's sit down here like Barbara Walters. Now, Amanda, could you please tell us how long you been on this tour?
I've been on this tour since the beginning.
And what problems have you encountered with Leanne Womack? And don't hold back, 'cause we like the truth.
It's been great. She's been a lot of fun.
You lying.
No, I'm not.
You lying.
No, I know that you're envious of her, but we've had a great time.
Does she make you polish her shoes and stuff?
No, not often.
I'm sorry. We were interrupted by somebody in a towel. I'm sorry, Amanda. Go ahead.
No, we've had a great time. It's been a lot of fun. I'm enjoying it.
Why you lying?
I'm not lying. You're always trying to start some drama. What? I'm telling the truth.